back to Easy Byte. In this video, we are covering the SQL operator and clause MCQs, perfect for interviews and quick revision. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. Which SQL clause is used to filter records? Options are where, order by, group by, and select. Option A is correct. Where filters rows based on a specified condition. Which operator is used for pattern matching in SQL? Options are between, in, like, and. Option C is correct. Like is used to search for a pattern in a column. Which SQL clause uses AND operator to filter row based on multiple conditions? Options are order by, group by, where, and having. Option C is correct. The where clause uses AND to ensure all given conditions are true when filtering rows. Which operator is used to test whether a value falls within a range? Options are between, in, like, and within. Option A is correct. Between checks if the value lies between two values. What does the in operator do? Options are compares two strings, checks if the value matches any value in a list, merge two tables, and returns null. Option B is correct. In allows you to specify multiple values in a where clause. Which SQL wildcard matches any number of characters in a search pattern? Options are question mark, percent symbol, underscore, and asterisk. Option B is correct. Percent match 0 or more character in like pattern matching. What does the order by clause do? Options are sorts row, filters row, group row, and removes duplicate. Option A is correct. Order by sorts the result set by one or more column. What is the default sort order in order by clause? Options are DESC, ASC, random, and alpha. Option B is correct. Order by defaults to ascending if no order is specified. Which clause is used to group rows that have the same values? Options are sort by, group by, filter by, and order by. Option B is correct. Group by groups record with identical values in a specified column. What clause is used with group by to filter aggregate results? Options are where, having, order by, and filter. Option B is correct. Having filters group data after aggregation, unlike where. Which keyword is used to sort the result in descending order? Options are down, reverse, DESC, and lower. Option C is correct. DESC is used with order by to sort in descending order. Which of the following is a logical operator in SQL? Options are is equal to, not, like, and percentage. Option B is correct. Not is used to negate condition in where clause. What does the is null condition check? Options are value equals 0, value is missing, empty string, and not indexed. Option B is correct. Is null checks for the absence of values in a column. Which operator is used to combine the result of two select statements and remove duplicates? Options are join, union, combine, and attach. Option B is correct. Union merges result sets and remove duplicates. What does the not in operator do? Options are finds value inside a list, exclude value in a list, negates like patterns, and find nulls. Option B is correct. Not in filters out specific values from a set. Which operator checks whether a subquery return any row? Options are in, exist, any, and check. Option B is correct. Exist returns true if a subquery returns one or more rows. Which wildcard matches exactly one character? Options are percentage, underscore, asterisk, and question mark. Option B is correct. Underscore matches exactly one character in SQL pattern. Which operator returns true if all subquery comparison are true? Options are all, some, any, and total. Option A is correct. All compares a value to every value returned by a subquery. Which operator is used to negate a condition? Options are and, in, not, and XOR. Option C is correct. Not reverses the logical result of a condition. Which of the following filters records before grouping? Options are where, having, group by, and order by. Option A is correct. Where filters individual rows before they are grouped. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below, and in the next section, we will cover the MCQs on joins. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.